हम लाए आपके लिए टॉप 30 हिस्ट्री क्वेश्चन फॉर रेलवे एग्ज़ाम। हम डेली जीके क्वेश्चन लाते हैं। इसी तरह का क्वेश्चन पाने के लिए हमारे चैनल के साथ जुड़ी रहिए। हमारे चैनल का नाम है जीके उत्कर्ष। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। द वैदिक आर्यन फर्स्ट सेटल इन द रीजन ऑफ डैश। ए सेंट्रल इंडिया, बी जेनेटिक डॉव, सी सप्त सिंधु एंड डी कश्मीर एंड पंजाब। द राइट आंसर इज C. Sapta Sindhu. Coming to next question, which of the following Vedas deals with the magic spell with craft? The options are A. Ring Veda, B. Sam Veda, C. Yajur Veda and D. Athar Veda. The right answer is Athar Veda. Coming to question number 3, the later Vedic age means the age is the completion of dash. Options are A. Samhitas, B. Brahmanas, Aryanyaks and D. All the above. The answer is D. All the above. Moving to question number 4, the Vedic region along with its later Vedic developments is actually known as which of the option? The options are A. Hinduism, B. Brahmanism, C. Bhagavatism and D. Vedic Dharma. The right answer is D. Vedic Dharma. Which of the following contains the famous Gayatri Mantra? Options are A. Rig Veda, B. Sam Veda, C. Kathopanishad and D. Aitariya Brahmana. The option is A. Rig Veda. The famous Gayatri Mantra is addressed to dash. Which of the options? The options are A. Indra, B. Varuna Supati and D. Savita. The right answer is D. Sabita. Two highest gods in the Vedic religions were options are Agni and Savitri, option B Vishnu and Mitra, option C Indra and Varun, option D Suryadev and Pusan. The right answer is B Vishnu and Mitra. Coming to question number 8, division of the Vedic society into the 4 classes is clearly mentioned in the dash. Options are Yajurveda, option B Purusha Sukta of Rig Veda, option C Upanishad and option D Satapatha. The right answer is option B Purusha Sukta of Rig Veda. These are the most important questions of history. Coming to question number 9, the Vedic god was a breaker of the fort and also a war of god. The options are A. Indra, option B Yama, option C Marut and option D Varun. The right answer is option A Indra. The first metal to be extensively used by the people in India was bronze, B copper, C iron and D tin. The right answer is B copper. This is the metal people were usually used very much at that time. Moving to question number 11. Of the following scholars, who was the first to discover the traces of the Harappan civilization? The options are A. Sir Johann Marcel, B. R.D. Banerjee, C. A. Cunningham and D. Daya Ram Sahani. The right answer is D. Daya Ram Sahani. Moving to question number 12. Which of the following civilization is not associated with the Harappan civilization? The options are A. Mesopotamia, B. Egyptian, C. Sumerian, and D. Chinese. The right answer is D. Chinese. The Harappan civilization achieved for greater advancement than Sumer, Elam, etc. on account of its which of the options? A. Town planning, B. Metalworking, C. Weight and measures, and last option D. Seals and figures. The right answer is A. Town planning. Question number 14. The town planning is the Harappan civilization was inspired by a regard for which of the options? The options are A. Beauty and utility, option B. Uniformity, option C. Sanitation and public health, and option D. Demographic factor. The right answer is C. Sanitation and public health. Moving to question number 15. The Indus or Harappan civilization is distinguished from the other contemporary civilization by its which of the following options? A. Town planning, B. Underground drainage system, C. Uniformity of weight and measures, and option D. Large agricultural surplus. The right answer is B. Underground drainage system. Moving to question number 16. The date of the Harappan civilization has fixed on the basis of which of the following options? The options are pottery design, B. Stratification, C. Aryan invention, and option D. Radiocarbon 14. The right answer is D. Radiocarbon 14. Moving to question number 17. Most of the large Harappan town had a fortification which served the purpose of which of the following options? A. Safety from robbers, B. Protection against foods, C. Protection against, and option D. All the above. The right answer is D. All of the above. Moving to question number 18. Cereals grown by the people of Harappan civilization were which of the following options? The options are A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Millet, and D. All the above. The right answer is D. All the above. Moving to question number 19. The utensils of the Indus Valley people were mainly made of which of the following options? The options are A. Clay, B. Copper, C. Bronze, and D. Brass. The right answer is clay. Which of the following metal was not known to the Indus Valley people? A. Gold, B. Silver, C. Copper, and D. Iron. The right answer is D. Iron. At which of the following Harappan sites has supposed deckyard been found? The options are A. Kalibangan, B. Lothal, C. Suktajendar, and D. Sotkakoli. The right answer is B. Lothal. Moving to question number 22. Which of the following object was not worshipped by the Indus Valley people? The options are A. Mother Goddess, B. Pasupati Shira, C. Trees such as people and Asia, D. Trimurti. The right answer is D. Trimurti. Moving to question number 23. The economy of the Indus Valley people was based on which of the following options? The options are A. Agriculture, B. Trade and commerce, C. Crafts, D. All the above. The right answer is all the above. Moving to question number 24. The Harappan civilization declined as a result of which of the following option? A. Aryan invasion, B. Decline in foreign trade, C. Ecological factors, and D. Not definitely factor. The right answer is D. Not definitely factor. Moving to question number 26. The term Aryan, Indo-Aryan or Indo-European denotes a concept of which of the following option? A. Linguistic, B. Racial, C. Religious, and D. Cultural. The right answer is A. Linguistic. According to the most widely accepted view, the Aryans originally came from which of the following options? A. India, B. Central Asia, C. Central Europe, and D. Steppes of Russia. The right answer is B. Central Asia. Moving to question number 28. Which of the following Vedas was compiled first? The options are A. Rig Veda, B. Samveda, C. Yajurveda, and D. Atharvaveda. The right answer is A. Rig Veda. Moving to question number 29. The Vedic economy was based on which of the following options? A. Trade and commerce, B. Craft and industries, C. Agricultural and cattle rearing, and D. All the above. The right answer is C. Agricultural and cattle rearing. Moving to question number 30. This is the last question. The normal form of government during the Vedic period was which of the options is correct? A. Democracy, B. Republics, C. Oligarchy, and D. Monarchy. The right answer is D. Monarchy. This is our YouTube channel. Every day we are bringing daily latest GK for you. This will be help for your competitive exams. For more details, kindly subscribe our channel GK Utkal. Thank you.